Hi, so I thought this would just be a fun little thing. Some of you may have done Sudoku puzzles or Sudoku. I really don't know how to say it. Sudoku, whatever. Someone in the comments tell me how to say that. This is similar to that puzzle, but it's called a Kenken. You can access it at kenken.com, just kenkem.com. It's a Japanese word. The puzzles were invented in Japan. So let's click on a 3x3 puzzle. That's the easiest. So similar to a Sudoku, um, we have the numbers 1 through 3, and each row needs the numbers 1 through 3. Each column needs the numbers 1 through 3. And then, unlike a Sudoku, each one of these boxes, um, see how this box has 2 cells in it. The number in the top left corner here tells us that the two numbers in this cell you have to multiply together to get 6. So if it doesn't have an operator, so for example here's a 3, that just means that that is the number of the cell. So this is a 3. So let's look at this cell here. So two numbers that multiply to 6 between 1 and 3. Well, that's obviously has to be 2 and 3. We can't have a 3 here because then we would have 2 3s in the same row. So the 3 has to be in the other box. So if the 3 is there, the 2 is there. And then in this top row, we have a 2 and a 3. We don't have a 1, so the last box has to be a 1. So let's fill in what's below it. So two numbers, you're going to divide them. We have two numbers, you're going to divide them and you get a 2. Well, we know one of them is 1, so the other one, what can you divide by 1 and get 2? Obviously, that's 2. Then we can finish out this column. We have a 1 and a 2, so this has to be a 3. This box we can figure out in 2 ways. One, we're subtracting two numbers. One of them is 3, and we're getting 2. So 3 minus what is 2? Well, it's 3 minus 1. Also, we could have figured that out the other way because we already have a 2 and a 3 in this column, and then here's the 1. So in this row, we have a 1 and a 3, so we need a 2. And then again, we're dividing. 2 divided by something is 2. Well, it's got to be 2 divided by 1. And there we go. It's solved.